Premier Mats and Accessories, a mat manufacturing company based in Pretoria, South Africa, has notably transformed its production processes through a collaborative effort between the Department of Trade, Industry and Competition under the Aerospace Industry Support Initiative and the Centre for Robotics and Future Production within the Council for Scientific and Industrial Research. Premier Mats and Accessories is one of the many local SMMEs that have benefited from the collaborative supports offered by IEC and the CSIR Centre for Robotics and Future Production. This partnership has significantly bolstered the growth of local businesses.
We at Premier Mats, we manufacture customized automotive rubber floor mats. We specialize in the trucking industry. The problem that we had is that our contours are not completely straight and it varies from model to model.
Recognizing the need for improvement, Premier Mats and Accessories sought digital transformation expertise to implement a targeted intervention.
So the system that we've designed and implemented at Premier Mats is part of a digitization project which has 3 components. The first work package is a IP digitizing system where the rubber mat templates that the SME creates as part of her business process is then digitized to create digital models that can be backed up to the cloud, so provide some redundancies should anything happen to her templates, as well as allow her to use automated methods such as a CNC that she has to cut the mats which are currently being cut manually. The second work package that's been implemented is a manufacturing execution system, which is a structured approach to manufacturing, allowing the owner of the company to have an eye on every aspect of the business and every aspect of the production that's being carried out, and also use the gathered metrics for decisions that need to be made about the production process. And the last work package that was implemented is a quality checking system, which utilizes computer vision and cameras to ensure that the products being produced adhere to the highest quality standards that are being implemented at the company.
With the implementation of visual quality assurance techniques and the integration of factory processes, Premier Mats and Accessories achieved a fully optimized and streamlined production process. Waste was significantly reduced, and the company saw a substantial improvement in product quality.
The initiative itself has a specific mandate to support advanced manufacturing within the aerospace and defense, as well as marine and sector-wide industry. Through this initiative, we provide both technical and financial support to companies within this specific industry in order to improve their competitiveness and also ensure that they integrate into both local and global supply chains.
With the support of the dtic and CSIR, Premier Mats and Accessories serves as a beacon of inspiration for local entrepreneurs. This intervention paved the way for social empowerment. Premier Mats and Accessories created job opportunities, particularly for women, enabling them to contribute to their families and communities while nurturing a culture of gender equality and economic growth.